Hello guys, I'm Tenjix, and welcome to part 3 of the AMV edit series. Since this is part 3, you already know I've uploaded 2 tutorials before this. If you haven't watched them yet, make sure to check those out first. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you an advanced effect. How to add glow effects to a character's body. Adding this glow will make your edits look more dynamic and visually attractive. There are 2 different ways to create this effect. The first method I'll show is the easier one, which I personally use most of the time. The second method is a bit more advanced. I'm showing both because some of you might not be able to use the first method, so this way everyone can still create the same glow effect. Also, just a quick note. I had a small recording issue while making this video. At some points, the screen recording stopped when I was exporting. But don't worry, all the important steps were recorded properly, and you won't miss anything necessary to learn the effect. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the tutorial. Make sure to follow each step carefully to get the best results. You can slow it down so you can understand everything more clearly. And that's it for the first method. Now we're moving on to the second method. I did have a small screen recording issue during this part, but as I mentioned earlier, it won't affect your learning because the problem only happened while exporting. All the important steps are still properly recorded. My screen recording stopped briefly at this point, so let me explain the step. Download this clip first, then import it back into this same project. My screen recording stopped again here, so let me quickly explain the step. Just like before, download the clip and then import it back into the same project. And that's it for the second method too. I haven't decided what I'll bring in the next tutorial yet. We'll figure that out soon. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll reply to everyone.